Work on multiple files at once using tabs. Tabs stay open even after refreshing the page. SysModeler supports both dark and light themes. Instantly switch to your preferred view with a single click. Wide range of keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation and ease of use. View all available shortcuts instantly by clicking the keyboard icon. Maintain a clean workspace by hiding and unhiding specific sections or making them take up the whole screen. This makes navigating large, incredibly complex files much easier and visually manageable. Some quality of life features include a notification center, credit tracking, account management, and bug reporting. You can also use this to request new features.